In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your designs with Canva. We'll walk through the quickest way to animate an entire page, then switch to precise controls for animating individual text, photos, and graphics. I'll also show you how to adjust speed, direction, and timing so your design moves exactly the way you imagine. Let's start with the fastest method. Instant page animations. Click on any empty space on your canvas to make sure no single element is selected. This tells Canva you want to animate the whole page at once. Now click the Animate button in the top toolbar. You'll see categories like pan and fade. As you browse, selecting a style instantly applies movement to every element on that page simultaneously. This is perfect for creating a cohesive look in seconds, and it's a great starting point before you refine individual pieces. When you want more control, animate elements one by one. Click the specific text box, image, or icon you want to move, so it's highlighted. Then click Animate in the toolbar again. The options you see are tailored to what you selected. For text, you'll find styles such as typewriter, bounce, or ascend, which add character to headlines and calls to action. For photos and graphics, look for rise, pan, or pop to bring visuals to life without overwhelming your layout. Choose a style that matches your design's tone and keep readability in mind for text animations. If you have Canva Pro, open the Settings panel to customize further. Adjust speed to control the overall pace and intensity. Set direction to determine how elements move across the screen. You can also choose when the animation plays. On enter as it appears, on exit as it leaves, or both for a full in and out effect. As a guideline, enter is great for introductions, exit for transitions, and both for emphasis. For a unique path, click Create an Animation. Then drag your selected element across the canvas to trace its movement. This records the journey from start to finish. If you want a perfectly straight path, hold Shift while dragging. Keep the motion smooth and purposeful so the animation supports your message rather than distracting from it. Finally, refine speed and direction in the Settings panel until everything feels balanced. Slower speeds often feel more polished, while faster movements work for energetic moments. Remember, you can switch between page, wide, and element level animations simply by clicking an empty area or an individual item. That's it. Thanks for watching.